Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on both Android devices so discovery works. Open Settings, tap Google, then Device Connections and choose Nearby Share. This initializes the protocol. Once done, set your visibility to contacts or everyone depending on who you trust. This controls discoverability. Make sure Battery Saver is off because it can block background discovery. Now tap the toggle to enable Nearby Share and keep the screen on for the next pairing step. Now pick the files you want to send. In Gallery or Files, select Images, Videos, or Documents. Tap Share, choose Nearby Share, and your device will scan for nearby receivers. When the receiver appears, tap their device name to initiate. This starts an encrypted transfer. On the receiving device, accept the incoming request and pick a save location if prompted. Keep both devices within a few meters during transfer and avoid switching networks to prevent interruptions. After transfer, confirm the receiver can open the files and that sizes match your expectation. This verifies integrity. If something goes wrong, first toggle Nearby Share off and on, then retry sending. Make sure both devices remain visible and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. If problems persist, disable Battery Saver and check app permissions for location. These often block discovery. As a last resort, restart both devices. This clears temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.